Guys, welcome to Share Anything Technology Center. As I promised, I have a headphone I'm gonna try to fix. Obviously, I can't do it on camera because I'm recording with that. But I just took the speaker out, as you can see. That's where it sits on, and you can see there. Sometimes it becomes loose from this connection. So, if you could see well, you have the solder there that you could unsolder. Try to put it back on. Also, as you see this little knot over here, you gotta try to make it a little more tighter so that way it won't come through the hole over here. And then you got your earmuff there, that's what covers this. Didn't even know how I took this out, but shouldn't be that hard to put back. If you could fix those, you already have a brand new set of headphones. Have my soldering iron there, and I'm gonna try to do that as I fix it, and then I'll show you the result and tell you if it worked or not. But it's pretty easy, straightforward. But like I said, by doing this, I have like 2 of these that became loose. You save, I'm saving like 20 bucks there. That way I don't have to buy brand new headphones. Hopefully you guys like this, and I'll show you the result. Thanks for watching.